chest. I told her that she's everything from the best. She's perfect in my eyes, it's just a dream. I told her it's a lie. Can't you see? Can't you see? Wake up to reality, smoking on some different things, smoke a different strain. I get high every week, couldn't talk, couldn't speak, couldn't even fall asleep. I could barely fucking eat, didn't do shit for the week. I was high in the sky, couldn't come down if I tried. Told her that I'll just be fine, I just lied, hide the pain through the light. I throw it in the dark, where it's in the corner. I don't care about shit, I'ma leave her tonight. I'ma fuck the pussy up and then I dip and I'ma slide. I'm a slimy motherfucker, if you try me you gon' die. There's too much to say, I got demons in my brain, I got drugs all in my hand. I don't fucking play about that. So why the fuck you care about them hoes? You gotta move on and just go heal your soul. They don't care about you, that's why they make you low. Super low, super low. I'm smoking green off my chest. I told her